Stop buying scattered bits that leave projects unfinished. The Ryobi 300-piece kit is the complete default. Switch for backups, compact storage, or screw-heavy work. Choose by project range, storage, and drilling frequency. For most home projects, choose the Ryobi 300-piece drill and drive kit. It's the practical all-rounder for repairs, anchors, furniture, wood, occasional masonry, and wider holes. Everything stays organized in one marked case, including helpful setup pieces. But its 4-panel case needs real storage space, and tightly held bits can be awkward to remove initially. Frequently used driver bits will still wear. Skip it for occasional hanging jobs or mostly screwdriving. For driver bit backups, get the DeWalt No. 2 Phillips Bit 25-pack. It suits DIYers who already have a drill, driver, and compatible holder but keep wearing down this common household bit. Keeping replacements together means assembly and installation jobs don't stop over one damaged tip. However, this isn't a complete drilling setup, and 25 bits may be excessive for light use. Skip it if your screws are mainly Torx or square drive. Choose Ryobi's 95-piece drill and driver assortment for occasional household repairs. It's well suited to hanging pictures, mounting towel bars, setting anchors, and building small furniture. The clear front case lets you spot needed pieces quickly, while the compact assortment keeps costs down. That's the trade-off: fewer sizes, repeats, and specialty accessories. There are no hole saws, depth stops, center punch, or countersink. The largest hole-making tool reaches 1 inch. Don't choose it for frequent, unpredictable work or bigger openings. Choose DeWalt's DWANGFT100SET FlexTorq driving bit collection when fastening dominates your projects. It's a strong fit for furniture assembly, hardware installation, deck screws, and impact driver work. Removable cases let you bring the bits you'll use instead of hauling the entire set. That's convenient around the house. The catch is sparse drilling capability. It includes no masonry, brad point, spade, or hole saw bits. Don't buy it for general drilling, large holes, or precision tasks. Quick split. Choose Ryobi 300-piece for broad home use, DeWalt No. 2 Phillips for replacements, Ryobi 95-piece for basic fixes, or DeWalt FlexTorq for fastening-heavy projects. Before buying, check your screw types, drilling materials, largest needed hole, holder compatibility, and available case storage. Start with the Ryobi 300-piece kit if you want one case ready for changing household jobs. Go smaller for basic repairs, choose Phillips backups for repeated wear, or FlexTorq when driving dominates. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.